5 simple guides to make money on social media. Hello and welcome back to our channel Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta. Today we will talk about simple guides to make money on social media. Stay tuned as this video might be beneficial to you. Please hit like and press the subscribe button for more videos in the future. Wondering how to make money on social media? Social media is the biggest online business hub today. If you are not earning yet, you should check out these money-making hacks. Many people have grown to love social media, making it the most extensively used platform for many users. As a result, these platforms have become a significant source of revenue for many people and companies. Because of the ease with which these platforms are accessible and available, several apparently ordinary people have been able to tap into their personal qualities and promote them to generate money. This is why, through postings on their platforms, they are occasionally seen traveling or doing something exciting, leaving you to question how they earned the money to live such extravagant lifestyles. Well, it is not very difficult. Etsy, Flickr, SoundCloud, YouTube, Fiverr, Tumblr, Meta, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram are just a few of these social media networks that may help you become discovered and more desirable to marketers and companies if you're a registered member with a number of followers. We understand how difficult it may be to get started, so we've compiled a list of 5 simple guides to make money on social media. As usual, we will leave you with a bonus tip at the end. Stay glued. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Sell your intellectual property rights. Whether you are an artist, a photographer, a musician, a copywriter, or a comedian, many people and businesses are eager to pay royalties in exchange for the use of your unique abilities and creative content. You can sell these rights and get loads of cash in return. Number 2. Make it a habit to remarket to your target audience. To make money on social media, you must put in the motivation just as you would in your everyday activities and jobs. You cannot expect your audience, fans, or followers to stay for a long time after seeing only one engaging post on your channel. To maintain fans' loyalty, you must consistently build your page with quality content and products. Number 3. Become an influencer. If you already have followers and create content that is highly engaging and appealing to your audience, they are more likely to like and share it with their friends, thus spreading your work across the platform. This also draws people and businesses that are eager to pay you to advertise their products on your page. With more advert deals, you are already on your way to earning pretty well straight from your home. Number 4. Leverage influencer marketing platforms. These platforms bring companies and influencers together and make it easier for them to collaborate. To be accepted on most of these networks, you must have a particular number of followers. Once you've been accepted, you'll be granted access to view all of the businesses you may advertise and get paid for. While these platforms' advertising links can be posted on any platform, some may limit their advertisements to a single platform. Number 5. Establish a premium membership program. Do you know you can make money on social media by establishing premium accounts? Of course, you will need to create high-quality premium content. With that in place, you can charge interested participants a certain fee as a subscription to be part of the group or page. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. Here is now your bonus tip. Try affiliate partnerships. Businesses that wish to promote their services and products collaborate with influencers through affiliation and sponsorship, either by offering to pay influencers a fee or by offering free products that are publicized through giveaways. It's a wonderful technique to target a certain market because such affiliations allow you to reach out to a broader spectrum of audiences. Social media is the largest business hub right now. You can make money on social media without leaving the comfort of your home. Super easy and lucrative. Need help? Don't hesitate to contact Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta. We are here to help. Want more tips? Please visit our channel for more videos about business, motivation and investment. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can always bring you helpful tips like these. To create these videos, take a lot of time and effort, so we need your love, comment, like, and share, and we will make sure to create even more interesting videos for you. Don't forget to check our website lifestyletipsbyantoaneta.com and grab one of our courses or books. Thank you again for watching. And remember, always stay very motivated.
You